Hey everyone. Um, Good news. This is the very last time that you are going to be hearing from me. I'm sure you're sick of me already. I'm sure you're sick of my announcements and my videos and all of that. Our class is done. So congratulations, first of all, on completing the semester. I just want to give you a few parting words. First of all, I do want to let you guys know that our final exam closes on Sunday, which is June 6th. So by that time, you do need to complete it. My recommendation is that you give yourself a quiet space. You give yourself, well, hopefully the system gives you strong internet. Maybe, choose a spot that has good Wi-Fi. You need approximately 2 hours. Most people are, on average, are finished with the exam by like an hour and a half. So I gave you 2.5 hours just in case. And then, once you complete it, please don't think that that score is the final score, because there is actually a large section of the exam that I have to grade myself, like the short answers and all of that. So you will definitely get a notification that says that your exam has been graded. I do curve the exams, so good news there. Whoever gets the highest score is going to be the 100. So there's a little motivation there. And then one more thing I just want to say is, again, since Sunday, June 6th is the last day for the final exam, that is also the last day to submit a revision. What should you do? Email me through Canvas. Send me your revision. Please title it, revision for SA1 or SA2, whatever it is you're going with. And then I will be updating the gradebook throughout that entire week. So what I tend to do, and this is the last thing that I want to just clarify for you guys before we head our separate ways, I just want to let you guys know that I take the time to send every single student a message, because the gradebook, even though it's accurate and it shows your grade, it's going to change, because if you've done a revision, that's going to influence the 20% segment of your grade. Your final exam changes a little bit. Let's say the score changes if I curve it, if you do an extra credit component and the grade goes higher. So I like to just, send each student a message that says what grade they are receiving. And in GCC, we give solid grades. Let's say if you're at an 89, technically that's a B. There is no B plus, there is no A minus, there's just solid scores. So for me, grading in GCC is very difficult, because whenever a student is borderline, I have a lot of thinking to do. So what I would want to do is make sure that I communicate with you guys consistently throughout the next couple weeks before grades are due. So please make sure you are still checking your Canvas inbox. You will be getting a message from me. It's going to say final grade. And then please make sure you open that and, of course, check it out. And if you have any objections at all, you want to, reply to my message and say, have a great summer, you can. If you want to reply to my message, maybe with a confusion, maybe there's something that just doesn't add up and you want to talk to me about it, that's going to be your last opportunity. So please make sure you are checking your emails next week, the week after. The week after June 6th, that following week, the June 7th week, is when I'm going to be submitting grades. So you want to make sure you're checking your emails by that time. All right, I promise you this is the longest that I'm going to talk. I am going to be quiet now and just finally wish you guys an amazing summer, a productive fall semester ahead. I wish all of you health and happiness. Bye.